Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm working on my 94 K1500. Right here, I'm taking the door latch assembly off to get the handle off. It makes it a little bit easier. You don't have to do that. It is a Torx bit, and the size will be down in the description. Also taking off the bolt on the inside of the door jamb, or door itself. Again, size of the socket will be in the description. There is another bolt that you access through here, and you can see it inside there, that light gray. And those are the only two bolts that hold the door handle assembly on. Now looking at the exterior part of the door handle, go ahead and wiggle it off or out. Be careful to scratch the paint. This truck's primered, it's getting ready to be painted, so we're taking these handles off. Be very careful. Put tape around the hole when you open it up right here. On the back, you have two retainers. One is on the lock assembly right there, and the other one up top. That is to actually open the latch so you can open the door. I'm using a pick to take the little retainer off. It's a little metal clip. You can slide it back and then pull the little clip off. Again, be careful to scratch the paint right here or not to scratch it. This is really the hardest part of removing the handle, is getting these clips off and the connecting rods off without scratching the paint. Takes a little finesse. Now right here I need to take off the rod to the cylinder lock, or lock cylinder. And it's out.